Today in this video, I'm gonna explain full guide. Install PPSSPP using Telegram on iPhone or iPad. Ensure you have the PPSSPP IPA files. Download the IPA file from the PPSSPP official website. Navigate to the PPSSPP for iOS section and download the latest version. Download the Telegram app from the Apple App Store. Log into your user account. Use the provided link in the video description to access the WinSign bot on Telegram. Click on the link to join and use the bot. Start the bot. Click on the sign bot. Select sign IPA and choose the free certificate option. If not available, wait or use your own certificate. Save the certificate on your device. Upload the certificate to the Telegram bot as demonstrated in the video. Upload the PPSSPP IPA file that you downloaded earlier. Allow the uploading process to complete. This may take some time depending on your internet connection and file size. Once the upload is finished, copy the link provided by the bot. Open your browser and paste the link to download the IPA file. Once the IPA file is downloaded, click on the download icon. Click open to initiate the installation process. Monitor the installation progress from your home screen. Once installed, open the PPSSPP app from your home screen. You should now be able to use PPSSPP to run PSP games on your iOS device. Load your PSP games into PPSSPP by opening the app and selecting the game file. Enjoy playing your favorite PSP games on your iOS device with the PPSSPP emulator. Remember to follow each step carefully to ensure successful installation and configuration of the PPSSPP emulator on your iOS device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.